Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two fantastic foldable mini washers, the DXJJ10L and the SRVVTO13L. Both machines are designed for those who need efficient laundry solutions in small spaces, but they come with different features that cater to various needs. The DXJJ10L is an affordable option with a quiet operation, perfect for delicate items like baby clothes and underwear. On the other hand, the SRVVTO13L offers a larger capacity and includes a built-in spin dryer, making it a more versatile choice for those who want to save time on drying. Let's see how these two machines stack up against each other in terms of capacity, functionality, and user experience. When it comes to capacity, the DXJJ portable washing machine offers a 10-liter capacity, which is suitable for small loads and delicate items. However, the SRVVTO portable small washing machine takes the lead with a larger 13-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more items at once, making it ideal for families or those who need to do laundry more frequently. In terms of functionality, the DXJJ model is a wash-only machine, meaning clothes come out wet and require additional drying time. In contrast, the SRVVTO not only washes but also includes a built-in spin dryer basket, which significantly reduces drying time and makes it more convenient for users who are always on the go. Price is always a consideration when choosing appliances. The DXJJ portable washing machine comes at a budget-friendly price of $50.39, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money. On the other hand, the SRVVTO, priced at $59.99, offers additional features such as a spin dryer, which may justify the higher cost for many consumers. In conclusion, both the DXJJ10L and SRVVTO13L portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The DXJJ is perfect for those on a budget who need a simple, quiet machine for small loads, while the SRVVTO offers more capacity and functionality with its spin dryer feature. Depending on your specific needs and lifestyle, either of these machines could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.